Did you know that you could buy a duplex, triplex, or even a fourplex with as little as 3.5% down? That means that with an FHA loan, you have the ability to become a homeowner and become a landlord all at the same time. Let me tell you how this works and why it could be such a smart financial move for you. With an FHA loan, you can buy a property with up to 4 units. You live in one of the properties and you rent out the others. The rental income from those units can help offset your mortgage payment, significantly reducing your cost to owning a home. Not only is it a great way to get your feet wet as a landlord, but it can also provide some residual income for you. And remember, because FHA loans were created to make home ownership more accessible, you don't need a big down payment or perfect credit to qualify. But before you get too excited, let's talk about some of the challenges. First, you have to find the right property. Multi-unit homes like duplexes, triplexes, and fourplexes are hot commodities, and seasoned investors often snatch them up quickly. So having a solid strategy and a little patience is key. Next, if you're looking at a triplex or a fourplex, FHA requires the property to pass something called a self-sufficiency test. This means the expected rental income has to support the mortgage payment, even without your personal income. So it may be easier to start off with a duplex. Duplexes don't require the extra step of self-sufficiency test, making them a much simpler option, especially for first-timers. And it's important to remember, becoming a landlord means managing tenants, and these tenants will also be your neighbors. That can be a bit of an adventure in itself. But hey, if you're up for the challenge, the reward will be well worth it. So, if you're the adventurous type, an FHA multifamily home could be your ticket to owning a home, building equity, and creating new income stream. But here are a few important reminders. You'll need at least 3.5% down. You'll want to have a solid plan for finding the right property. And you'll typically need other sources of income to qualify. Buying a multifamily property isn't easy, nor is it risk-free. But for the right person, it could be an amazing opportunity. To learn more about how an FHA loan can help you become a homeowner with very little down, while also earning residual income to offset your mortgage payment, visit mortgageresearch.com. The link is in the description. Until next time, happy house hunting.